Okay, a couple more examples from exercise 704. Firstly, 3k, 11a plus 1 equals 5a plus 6, and we've got to solve this equation for a. So the first thing we do is we look on both sides. We can see on both sides of the equation we've got these terms with a, and we look, because they're both positive, we've got to look for the one that's the lowest number of a's, which is the 5a. We've got to subtract that from both sides. So firstly, subtract 5a from both sides. And I'm still going to write this step in here. 11a plus 1 minus 5a equals 5a plus 6 minus 5a. Now that step there, a lot of you are probably getting very comfortable by now. If you leave out that step and just go straight to the next line of simplifying, that's fine, as long as you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable, include the step. So that's 6a plus 1 is equal to 5a minus 5a's cancel, 0a equals 6. And now we've got a two-step equation. First thing we need to do is subtract 1. It's the inverse operation of adding the 1 there. Minus 1, minus 1. 6a plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. So we get 6a on the left-hand side is equal to 5. Final step, divide both sides by 6. So we get 6a on 6 is equal to 5 on 6. So a is equal to 5 on 6. Okay, and if we want to, I don't know if I've got time in this 5-minute video to check the left-hand side and right-hand side, but the next step would be for you to check it. So you go LHS equals 11 times 5 on 6 plus 1 equals, and I'll let you work that out, and the right-hand side is equal to 5 times 5 on 6 plus 1, which is equal to, and hopefully that should equal the left-hand side. And that will be correct. Okay, so the next problem, 11 minus m equals 24 minus 4m. A little bit different, this one, because we've got a negative number of prime numerals on both sides. So because they're both negative, we're going to have to add one back. So the best thing to do is look for the one that's most negative, which is the minus 4m, and we're going to add that onto both sides to get rid of the minus 4m plus 4m plus 4m. 11 minus m plus 4m equals 24 minus 4m plus 4m. Now the minus m plus 4m gives us 11 plus 3m equals 24. Minus 4m plus 4m is just 0. And now we've got our two-step equation. Go to blue. 11 plus 3m equals 24. Well, the first thing we want to do is get rid of that 11. So the inverse of adding 11 is subtracting 11 from both sides. 11 plus 3m minus 11 equals 24 minus 11. 3m is equal to 13. Final step, divide by 3, divide by 3. 3m on 3 equals 13 on 3. M is equal to 13 on 3. And leave that as a improper fraction, that's fine. And then last step, if you've got time, left-hand side equals 11 minus 13 on 3 equals, check that. Right-hand side is equal to 24 minus 4 times 13 on 3 equals, and I really hope that's equal to the left-hand side, in which case, if it is, that's correct. Okay.